A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Got another fantastic product review for you, product spotlight. This time it's Van Yulay in partnership with Shave Dad, and that is the first in Van Yulay's Archangel series, and that is Michael. Man, I don't think I've seen a cooler label in a while. That label is just so beautiful. Fantastic. I do have the splash to go with it. And Monica sent me a gift, and she knows I have coveted her honeycomb bowls for a while, but I just don't bowl lather that much anymore, so I never pulled the trigger on one. But look at this gorgeous thing, guys. These bowls are ridiculous. Got her logo there in the center. So I'm going to use this bowl today. I'm going to do a bowl lather. Looking forward to this, and she picked the right color. I love this kind of charcoal gray. Man, it fits Michael well. I mean, it looks wonderful. So I'm looking forward to trying this bowl out. I've always thought that honeycomb pattern was just such a unique idea. Lots of texture in there. All right, for the hardware, I'm going to be using my Tatara Amakuni. Haven't used an AC razor in a while. I decided to pull that out. And I went with a Grizzly Bay. I cannot remember the name of this one. Have it set with a 26 millimeter AP Shaveco Pure Bliss. But it matched quite well, I thought. It's black and white, and it has some little gold flake in it, and I thought that was a good match. So there's the beautiful Grizzly Bay coin. This is the older coin that doesn't have the mountain background on it. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut away, I'm going to build a lather, and then we'll be right back and talk about this fragrance and the shave. Be right back. All right, we're back, and I'm not going to lie, this bowl went to work, boys. Wow. Jeez. Look at that beautiful lather. That did not take long at all. I'm impressed, actually. The performance of this bowl was generous amounts of lather here, of course, so let me set that aside now. Monica, what's going on now? I discovered something. I mean, the first thing I noticed, and maybe some of y'all noticed when I held this up, but, you know, we're looking at a different style tub than we're used to from Van Yulay. And we're also looking at, and I didn't show this because it didn't hit me till I opened it up to scoop some out. We're looking at a different type of pour from Van Yulay. What's going on, Monica? I missed the piped pour. That's your trademark. I like opening it up and see it gives me a smile every time I see the piping pour you do. Oh man, this smells so good. We need your piping back, Monica. All right, so let me get the face wet. Actually, before I get my glasses off, I ran out of printer paper, so I've got my notes on my other phone here. So the scent notes of this are bergamot. Okay, get ready. There's a lot in here, guys. Take a deep breath. Bergamot, yuzu, black pepper, pine needles, peppermint, ozone, clary sage, moss, cardamom, lily, jasmine, frankincense, myrrh, gunpowder, metallic, leather, black opinox, not sure what that is, I need to look that up. Birch tar, immortale, labdanum, amber, oudwood, copal, not sure of that one either, need to look it up. Sandalwood, cedarwood, smoke, vetiver, and the kitchen sink. I mean, everything in here is in my wheelhouse. I don't know about the two I don't know about. If there was just lavender in here, I would be like, this is my who's who of fragrance notes. Yeah, geez. That's nuts. And it smells amazing. I am ready to get this shave. All right, let's get the glasses off and that face wet finally. I have almost 2 days, a little over 2 days. I can't remember, something like that. I think the last face shave was, I think it was the video I dropped yesterday. Yeah, it was a video recorded Monday because I did the live yesterday, which was Tuesday. I didn't shave my face because I was saving it for another video that I'm making now. So yeah, today's Wednesday, by the way, guys, for me. But this is going to go up on Thursday. All right. Gets confusing sometimes. Plus, I'm old. Had a fantastic time on Shave Masters Live last night. In case some of you don't know, oh wow, oh man, that works. That works. Doug Embry, John Bonham, also known as Cape Cod Shaving, and myself do a live show every other Tuesday on Instagram called Shave Masters. Be sure and check us out when you can. The next show will be on, I think it's the 18th, if I remember my Tuesdays correctly. Wow, this smells amazing. Ooh. Is there rose in this? Did I mention rose? I just got it on my nose. Maybe it's just a combination. I'm a little stuffy and I'm still getting this scent amazingly. Jerry, do you have something to do? Is Jerry here? Inside joke, sorry. Jerry, do you have something to do with this? If you did, I got to give you props, my friend. This is good. Man, I don't remember the last time I bowl leathered. I enjoy working a lather on my face, so I'm going to take a little time to keep working this in some anyway. Oh, I'm flinging that lather everywhere, aren't I? I just feel it preps my face better. Wow. Jerry, Monica. Speaking of Jerry, guys, Jerry Plessy, Shave Dad. Everybody knows Shave Dad, right? If you don't, you need to learn. Join the Shave Dad group on Facebook, one of the largest Facebook wet shaving groups, one of the most helpful, has the most information out there, and giveaways every week, guys. But the community on that Facebook page is second to none. It's awesome. All right, here we go. Man, there's something in here. There's drugs in here, Jerry, Monica. Something is addicting in this. All right, here we go. Sometimes I enjoy doing these videos, but sometimes I hate having to save my shave for the video because then I'm at work and I'm like, man, I really want to go shave, you know? All right. Do me a favor. Those of you that are watching this, I'm about to sneeze. Stop what you're doing. Pause this video, head over to Van Yulay, buy Michael, and I believe it already sold out once, so if it's up, buy it, because it's worth it. Yeah, I don't even have to finish my shave. Go buy it. It's that good. So, I mentioned this is the first in her Archangel series. I don't know how many she plans to do, but for those of you that, everyone, I guess, probably knows this, but if you don't, Michael is an archangel. He is the protector. He is also the patron saint of protectors and guardians, such as police and soldiers. He also delivers souls to the afterlife, known as the Angel of Death. And in some cases, you'll see pictures of him with scales. That's because he also weighs your soul in judgment in the afterlife. got my goatee there a little bit. So good. Can't wait to the splash. All right, y'all are getting me daily, right? I've been dropping a video every day, and I have to do another one tomorrow for you guys. So I am just going to do 2 passes. So I'm going to load this brush up some more. It's another reason why I like tub loading and face lathering. I already did water, because I don't have to keep going back and loading the brush back up, because there's usually still soap in the brush that has not been turned to lather yet. Oh. I don't know how to explain it. It's another one that's giving me a hard time with words, but there's this soft, almost powdery note in there, but those woods are ridiculously good. It's got all the woods in there. And of course, we all know I am a huge fan of oud. So I was sold. All I have to do is just see the note of oud, and it's one I want to try. So, fun fact, this one kind of got hung up in the mail. I thought it was lost, so I bought a set. So now I have 2 sets. I'm kind of glad I did. Not that I'll ever use one up, but I don't know, maybe I'll have to do one as a giveaway. Might save it for a subscriber giveaway or something. I've yet to do one. I'm very close, actually. Y'all know I don't ask for subscribers. I don't even really look at that number a whole lot. I do like seeing it go up when I do see it. And we are at 913. Was at 15, but for some reason lost 2 today. But not sure why. But 913, so close to that 1,000 mark, guys. Thank you, all of you, for that. Very, very appreciative of every one of you. I have fun doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy watching these videos. I know in the comments, those that comment seem to still be enjoying my videos, and I don't know why. You guys must be as crazy as I am. All right, go across the grain. But thank you so much. It really means a lot. I know there's a lot of you that reach out to me via Messenger or other, and I try to talk to all of you when I can. If ever it feels like I'm not responding or something, just know I'm either working or with family. I will eventually get back, though. Speaking of working, looks like I am taking another trip to Midland coming up on Monday. Working on a big deal there with Midland County. And I think I'm just going to drive. It's a little long, 6 hours, but with everything going on in the airports right now, I think it'll be easier just to drive. I've driven that drive many, many times. All right, I'm going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash, my final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Smells so good. You know, I don't know why, but this got me thinking that I have yet to ever buy an EDP from Monica. No, I take that back. I have bought my daughter a couple, I believe, but I've yet to ever buy one for myself, and I think this one might be the one, honestly. That is so good. I have so many EDPs that I kind of stopped buying them, but I'm going to have to... Well, let's get this splash on. We'll decide. I think I'm gonna need that, Monica. Put it on Jerry's tab. Sorry, Jerry. You know I've got nothing but respect for you, my friend. All right. Oh, yes. Get this all over. All right, so it appears that you throw everything in, including the kitchen sink, and you're going to smell good, because that's what this is. Wow. Don't even look at the scent notes, guys. It's just going to confuse you because there's so much in there. But whatever voodoo, whatever magic Monica and Jerry worked to make this work, they did more than nail it. This is... Oh, that is so good. So good. Hold on. All right. Yes. Like I said, again, if you still haven't gone over to Yulay, don't even watch the end of this video because I'm done. Run over to Yulay and pick Michael up, guys. I'm not paid to say that. I'm looking out for you. So... you're going to want this. You're going to want this. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.